What's the meaning of chamber? Chamber. Chamber.
Chamber. Chamber. Chamber is a term used to describe a wine that has been slightly chilled before serving. This process can enhance the aroma and flavor profile of the wine, as well as make it more refreshing to drink. When a wine is chamber, it should be served at a temperature of around 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit for red wines and 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit for white wines. This temperature range helps to bring out the best qualities of the wine and provides a delightful drinking experience. Overall, chamber is a French term that refers to a specific method of wine preparation that can greatly enhance its taste and character.